Antarctica is the southernmost continent on Earth. It is a vast and largely uninhabited region, covered almost entirely by ice and snow. The continent is surrounded by the Southern Ocean, which is a body of water that surrounds Antarctica and extends to the southern tips of South America, Africa, and Australia. Antarctica is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including seals, penguins, and a variety of birds. It is also home to a number of research stations, where scientists from around the world conduct research on a variety of topics, including climate change, biology, and geology. The continent is characterized by extreme cold and dryness, with temperatures averaging -57 Celsius in the winter and -17 Celsius in the summer. Despite these harsh conditions, Antarctica is an important part of the global ecosystem and plays a key role in regulating the Earth's climate. There are 18 species of penguins in the world, 6 of which make their home on Antarctica. Right now, we're in search of an emperor penguin colony. Let's see what makes emperor penguins so special. We're in Antarctica, the vast land of cold and ice, and right now behind me you can see a colony of emperor penguins, and we're allowed to approach them. Let's see what we can find. Emperor penguins are social animals and live in large colonies of up to several thousand individuals. They are excellent swimmers and divers and can reach depths of over 500 meters. Emperor penguins are monogamous, and pairs mate for life. During the winter breeding season, the male emperor penguins incubate the eggs while the females go out to sea to feed. Emperor penguins are the largest species of penguin, with adults weighing up to 45 kilograms and standing up to 1.3 meters tall. Emperor penguins are the only species of penguin that breed during the winter months. They gather in specific locations on the sea ice to breed and raise their young. Emperor penguin chicks are born in the winter, when temperatures can reach -40 degrees Celsius or lower. The female lays a single egg, which the male incubates on his feet, covered by a flap of skin called a brood pouch, while the female returns to sea to feed. The male fasts for the entire incubation period, which lasts about 2 months. When the chick hatches, it is covered in a thin layer of down and is completely dependent on its parents for food and warmth. Climate change, or the long-term change in Earth's climate due to greenhouse effect, can have a range of negative impacts on emperor penguins. Some of the ways in which climate change can affect emperor penguins include changes in sea ice. Emperor penguins rely on sea ice for breeding and foraging. As climate change causes sea ice to melt and retreat, emperor penguins may be forced to find new breeding sites or alter their foraging patterns. This can lead to declines in emperor penguin population. Climate change can also lead to changes in ocean temperatures and currents, which can affect the distribution and abundance of emperor penguins' prey, such as fish and squid. This can have consequences for emperor penguin survival and reproduction. Overall, climate change is a major threat to emperor penguins, and it is important to take steps to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and slow the rate of climate change in order to protect these animals and the ecosystems that they depend on. As the last unspoiled wilderness on Earth, Antarctica is currently protected by the treaty prohibiting drilling and mining until 2041. Decisions made by today's youth will impact our entire planet's ecosystem and the future of life on Earth. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it.